as many people know, Mississippi, many areas deal with extreme poverty. Mississippi has one of the highest infant mortality rates in the world. I thought he was foreign. No! Why you got me getting
I was wondering why you was so formal.
That's why I'm like, what the hell?
She feeling herself today.
No, I'm not feeling myself. He done put all this shit in my face and I'm thinking I'm actually doing something.
And cut.
So we formed the sister tour. Then we mess around. Now we didn't know LaToya was gonna do this, but we ended up getting invited to do this Gavin Brown show, or to perform at the Gavin Brown art gallery in New York, which was crazy because I had no idea what that was. I had never even heard of it. Shout out to LaToya for the, expanding the culture.
Harlem, we going to the Gavin Brown's Enterprise with the world-renowned Miss LaToya Ruby Frazier and the sister tour.
All right. How's it going, good people? Paul Herring here on Eclectic Ramblings, WFOV 92.1 LP FM Flint, our Voices Radio. Determined to make a difference, and you guys are watching this on Public Access Channel 17, and we got them listening on 92. We got it going on, Amber. We got it going on.
You need to pick your Afro daddy, because it's flat on one side.
We'll rock now.
Well, if you don't pick your Afro, you're gonna have one side high. Well, you
Said you was gonna take me to see Wu-Tang, baby.